Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into this video. So today I will be doing the lazy girl method once again, and here I'm just applying some base coat. Someone asked me how long do these nails with doing the lazy girl method last, and personally I don't know because I usually take my nails off right after the video. If you wanted these nails to last longer, you just take a drill bit like this and you just nudge the inside of the nail like I'm doing in the video, and that way it removes the shine and it adheres better to the nail. But I didn't want mine to last, so I'm not doing that. And so here with the pinky nail, I'm just putting a layer of rhinestone glue inside the nail, and I'm using rhinestone glue to apply the sequence because just with base coat I feel like it's more slippery and they won't stick. I use the rhinestone glue because it is thicker, and that way the sequence have something to like sink into, and that way it stays flat to the surface. And then once I get them applied how I would like, I just cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds, apply a base coat, and then also cure for another 30 seconds. And then next I'm going in with some white polygel. I'm just putting some near the cuticle part of the nail, and then I'm just brushing it down, and then I'm gonna fade it as if it was a white to clear ombre. I won't put any clear because I feel that it is very unnecessary, and I didn't want to waste my product, so I just went in with the white and just faded it down and applied it to my nail. And these nail tips are from Aliexpress. There was like $4 and something cents. I will say the price is very affordable, but the wait time, I waited almost 2 months to get mine, and it was very frustrating because I wanted to use them. But these are a very good tip so far. This is my first time using these. So my advice to you, if you do want these tips, I just would say order a few at a time. That way once you run out, you won't have to wait before you can use more. So you just order a lot at once. And they are $4 and something. I will leave everything I use in this video below. And here I'm just putting it on my nail, pressing it down. I flash cure it sometimes, that way the nail stays in place. And then I'm just taking my polygel brush and just removing what seeped out underneath the nail. And then once I get it all straight, I'm just going to put it in the nail lamp for 30 seconds, and this is how it turned out. And then moving on to the next, the ring finger, I'm just going to do a solid white. So I'm just going to apply some polygel and just smooth it out. And then I'm going to apply it to my nail. And just a reminder, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please make sure to do so. It will really help me out a lot. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Then once I got that applied, this is how it looks. And then for the middle finger, this will be a clear nail. I will go in and add some caviar beads later in the video. So I'm just putting this on with the AIFAIFA dupe method. I just put some gel in the tip and just holding it onto my finger. Just let the light flash cure it, and then making sure to wipe around the cuticle and then put it back in the light for another 30 seconds. And then next for the index finger, I'm just going to do it the same way that I did the pinky. I'm going to put these little sequins in and then put a top coat and then add the white polygel and just fade it down so that it looks like a white to clear ombre. And then I will do the thumb in all white like I did the ring finger, and I will just let you enjoy that process. And then once I had all these nails applied, I'm just going to take my file and file near the cuticle, and also file the free edge to get that little plastic piece off, and just kind of perfect the shape of the nail and also get it blended in near the cuticle area. And then I also went in with my nail drill and just did a little bit more filing near the cuticle because I didn't like how it looked, so I just did that off camera. And now these are how the nails are looking so far. And then I'm going to go in with my rhinestone glue. I'm just going to put a good layer over the middle finger. And then I'm going to pour on my caviar beads. And I'm making sure that my nail is fully covered. I'm just tapping, I'm lightly pressing these into the rhinestone glue, and I would just pour some back in there. And then I added a little bit more on the sides where I felt that it was needed. And then once I add these, I'm gonna flash cure it actually. And then I thought it needed some more on the top of the nail, like where my natural nail is. So I just flash cured these, and I added some more rhinestone glue, and I just poured some more on top. And then once I do all of that, I'm just gonna cure for 30 seconds. And so far, here's how the nails look. I will say that I love it so far. And then for the ring finger, I'm just adding some rhinestone glue, and I'm just gonna apply some rhinestones diagonal near the cuticle area, like kind of slanting down. You'll see how I do it in the video. And then I also will do the tip of the nail in the same direction. And once I applied these, I did flash cure, that way I wouldn't like knock them out of place before I did the tip. And then once I finished, I just put my whole nail in for 30 seconds. And then for the thumb, I'm adding more rhinestones, so I'm just taking some more rhinestone glue. And then I also went over with a top coat, and as you can see, I have my design laid out on the paper towel, and I'm just gonna apply those to the nail and just cure it in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then as always, I'm gonna go in with some top coat. I just added some top coat to all the nails except the middle finger because I didn't want to mess up the caviar beads. I felt like they would look kind of like blended and like not as textured how I wanted. And then I also went underneath the nails, and then I cured for 60 seconds. And this is how the nails are looking. I added my cuticle oil, and I'm so happy how these nails turned out. They were so pretty to me. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.